Cartesian plane is a plane in which location of any point can be fixed using x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. See here students, this horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. So angle between x-axis and y-axis, it is always 90 degrees. Now see here students, from O to x, this is called positive x-axis. O to x dash, it is negative x-axis. OY, positive y-axis. OY dash, negative y-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. It is called origin. This is called origin. Then x-axis and y-axis divide Cartesian plane into four parts. Each part is called quadrant. It is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now let us see definition of abscissa or x coordinate of a point. So what is x coordinate of a point? Abscissa or the x coordinate of a point is the distance from the y-axis. देखिए, see students, what is x coordinate of P point? X coordinate of P point means distance of point P from y-axis. This is x. And y coordinate means what? Distance of the point from x-axis. So this is y. So coordinate of point P, x comma y. X-axis, sorry, x coordinate means abscissa and y coordinate means ordinate also. Now see here students, what is the x coordinate of this point P here? X coordinate of this point P, distance of point P from y axis. So it is 4. So I can write 4 comma and distance of the point P from x axis, it is 3. So therefore coordinates of point P are 4 comma 3. Now let us see here once again coordinate of point Q. So let us write first x coordinate. Distance of this point Q from x coordinate means distance from y axis. So it is -6. And what is here y coordinate? Distance from x axis. So this RQ distance means this is OS distance and it's -2. Coordinates of a point on x axis and y axis. See here, any point on x axis is of the form x comma 0 and any point on y axis is of the form 0 comma 1. So for example here, coordinate of point A is 4 comma 0, coordinate of E point is 2 by 3 comma 0, coordinate of point B, it is 0 comma 3, coordinate of point C -5 comma 0, coordinate of D 0 comma -4. So just now we have seen bachcho, the coordinate of the origin are. This is called origin and its coordinate are always 0 comma 0. Signs of the coordinate of a point in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, sign of any point that is always plus plus means both the x coordinate and y coordinate are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x coordinate is x and y both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. For example, see here, B lies in first quadrant. Its coordinates are 4, 3. Both of them are positive. M lies in second quadrant. Its coordinates are -3, 4. So negative and positive. So coordinate of point L. x coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is -4. So both the coordinates are negative. So if we take here S point in fourth quadrant, so its coordinates are 3 comma this distance from y axis, that means x coordinate it is 3 and distance from x axis it is -4. So here plus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. So let us solve some multiple choice questions on coordinate geometry. What is first question? -3 comma 5 lies in the, so it lies in second quadrant because in second quadrant minus comma plus means x coordinate is minus and y coordinate is plus. Sign of the abscissa and ordinate of a point in the second quadrant are minus comma plus 0 comma -7 lies. X coordinate is 0 means it lies on y axis. Point -10 comma 0 lies on the negative direction of x axis. See, it lies when y coordinate is 0, it lies on x axis, and here x coordinate is negative, therefore on the negative direction of the x axis. Now let us see next question. Abscissa of all the points on the x axis. Abscissa of all the points on the x axis, x comma 0. Point lies on x axis, x comma 0. So value of x may be any number. Ordinate of all points on the x axis. Ordinate on all points of x axis. Okay, bachcho? This is the point lies on x axis. So its ordinate is always 0. The point at which two coordinate axes meet is called, जहां पर x axis और y axis intersect करते हैं बच्चों, that is called origin. The point both of whose coordinates are negative will lie in, देखिए बच्चों x coordinate और y coordinate negative, third quadrant. Question number 9. Points, these 4 points are given. This point lies in fourth quadrant बच्चों. This is lies, this also lies in fourth quadrant. This lies in fourth quadrant and this lies in third quadrant. Fourth and third quadrant option यहाँ पर नहीं है. So do not lie in the same quadrant. If y coordinate of a point is 0, then the point always lies on y coordinate is 0. That means it lies on x axis. Question number 11 देखिए बच्चों. The points -2 comma 2 and 2 comma -5 lies. See here this lies in second quadrant and this point lies in fourth quadrant बच्चों. Second and fourth. So second and fourth C is as. Question number 12. If the perpendicular distance of a point P from the x-axis is 5, perpendicular distance from the x-axis is 5, that means y coordinate is 5, and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of x-axis, then point P. See here, try to understand this question, bachcho. This is x-axis and y-axis. What is here? If the perpendicular distance of point P from x-axis is 5 units, and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction, a negative direction of x-axis, then the point P has this y coordinate, y coordinate negative, y coordinate -5 only. On plotting the points, if we plot these points, this is O is 0, 0. then A is 3 comma 0. Suppose here A 3 comma 0. Then B is 3 comma 4. Suppose this is 4 here. So 3 comma 4 here. B point 3 comma 4. C point 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. And joining, if we join these points here, OA, OB and OC, OA, AB, BC and OC, which of the following is figure is formed? See student, this distance is 4 है, ये भी 4 है बच्चों. Sorry, this is 3 है बच्चों distance, and this distance is 4. So it is rectangle. Question number 14 बच्चों. -1, -1, 3, -4, 1, -1, -2, -3 and t -4, 4 are plotted on the graph paper. Then the points in the fourth quadrant are. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में कौन से पॉइंट्स है? देखिए बच्चों, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में पॉइंट्स होने के लिए जिसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट निगेटिव होना चाहिए. तो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट निगेटिव, x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. So we can say that Q and R. So B will be answer. If the coordinate of the 2 points P and Q, then abscissa of a point P minus abscissa of point Q. So abscissa of point P minus abscissa of point Q minus 3. So it will be -2 plus 3. It is 1. So B will be answer. Question number 16. P5, 1, Q8, 0, R0, 4, S0, 5 and O0, 0 are plotted on the graph paper. Then the points on the x-axis. इसमें के कौन से पॉइंट्स x एक्सिस के ऊपर है ये देखना है बच्चों. x एक्सिस के ऊपर पॉइंट है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होना पड़ता है बच्चों. So this is y coordinate is 0 on x axis. On x-axis. So Q and O we can say. So D will be our answer. Abscissa of a point is positive in. Abscissa of x is positive in first and fourth quadrant. यहाँ पे this is plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus है. तो abscissa of a point is positive in first and fourth quadrant. This is our answer. The points whose abscissa and ordinate have different signs. Different signs कहाँ पर होते हैं देखिए बच्चों. The points whose abscissa and ordinate. यहाँ प्लस प्लस, माइनस माइनस. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड सेकंड का फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में सेम साइंस है बच्चों. तो डिफरेंट यहाँ पे माइनस प्लस और यहाँ प्लस माइनस. सो सेकंड एंड थर्ड. In figure 3.1, coordinate of point P. P के coordinate क्या है बच्चों? -2, 4. B will be answer. The point identified by the coordinates -5, 3, -5, 3. So this is L. The point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. Point is lying on the negative direction of y-axis at a distance of 5 units. So it will be 0, -5. The perpendicular distance of a point P 3, 4 from y-axis. 3, 4 distance. The perpendicular distance here which P point is 3, 4, no? So this is 3 and यहाँ पे 4 3, 4. Okay. So perpendicular distance of the point P from y-axis. From y-axis means x coordinate. ये 3 आ जाएगा बच्चों.